Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the questions and the name of the chapter is The Necklace. First question, what kind of a person is Ma'am Loisel and why is she always unhappy? And the answer is, Ma'am Loisel is young, pretty, ordinary but discontented woman. She is of a humble background but dreams of riches and comforts. She is proud of her beauty and wants to be admired. Her meager resources are not enough to satisfy her expensive cravings, making her angry all the time. Next question, what would Matilda often dream of? And the answer is, Matilda would often dream of all the delicacies, luxuries, elegant dinners, marvelous dishes, rich silver, beautiful dresses, jewels, adoration and a life of glory. She would escape into her dreams from a dullness of her very humble existence. Next question, what fresh problem now disturbs Ma'am Loisel? And the answer is, after spending a fortune on a beautiful dress, Ma'am Loisel is faced with yet another disaster, and she frets over the fact that she does not have a beautiful jewel to go with her dress. So she asks her husband to pass on the invitation to someone else. Next question, what do Mr. and Ma'am Loisel do next? The Loisels, answer is, the Loisels leave no stone unturned. Mr. Loisel goes back and searches to the lost necklace. Then he goes to the police and to the cab offices. Also, they put out an advertisement in the newspapers and offer a reward to anyone who finds the necklace, but all their efforts go in vain. Next question, what was the cause of Matilda's ruin? How could she have avoided it? Answer, Matilda's pride and her materialistic aspirations, coupled with her dishonesty, paved the way for her ruin. She could have avoided it by learning to accept her current situation and being content with what she had. Next question, how did Ma'am Loisel not know the life of necessity? Answer, to pay the debt of 18,000 francs, Loisels let go of their decent living. They lived in impoverished neighborhood. Matilda had to cook, clean, wash, mend, bring water and bargain with the butcher and grocer. Her husband worked day and night to save every sou. Next question, the course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Comment, and the answer is, it takes Loisels a decade to pay back the money they borrowed to buy the necklace, and it changed everything for them. They had to move to the poorest quarters of the city with no maids or assistants. Matilda had to cook, clean, mend, sew, bargain with the grocer and butcher to save every sou, just for mere survival. The husband had to work in the evening and night to pay their debt. In this way, the course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Next question, What would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace? And the answer is truth and honesty would have saved Matilda from her doom. If only she had been courageous enough to confess to her friend the truth of the necklace, she would have come to know that it was a fake one, and it was a fake one that cost a mere 500 francs. She would not have spent her husband's entire inheritance and borrowed 18,000 francs to pay for its replacement. In fact, she would have saved herself and her husband from 10 long years of crushing poverty, misery, and back-breaking labor. So, these are the questions and you have to do it.